you walk up to an ATM and deposit cash into your Revolut account in 2025? Let's find out. Quick answer. No, you cannot deposit money directly into your Revolut account from an ATM. Revolut is a fully digital bank, and it doesn't support physical cash deposits through ATMs like traditional banks do. So how can you fund your Revolut account? Here are the main methods. Link a bank account and transfer funds. Use a debit or credit card to top up instantly. Get paid directly into your Revolut account using your personal account number and sort code. Receive money from friends via Revolut or bank transfers. What about workarounds? Some users try using third-party services like PayPoint or topping up from apps like PayPal, but these methods can include fees and delays and aren't officially supported by Revolut. Final tip. For most users, the easiest way is to link your local bank and transfer money directly from there. It's free, safe, and fast. Now you know. Revolut doesn't support ATM deposits, but you've got plenty of secure ways to add funds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revolut tips in 2025.